Siargao tourist. In Siargao is the biggest density of foreign tourists in all of the Philippines, and it kind of has its reason. It's kind of this Bali vibe, and it's not really my thing, but I understand why a lot of people choose it, because there is lots of hostels, lots of tourists, lots of the things that the Westerners like to do. The probably biggest attraction in Siargao is surfing. You can go surfing in other places in the Philippines, but Siargao is like definitely the spot, and there is gonna be a lot of people, so if you want to mingle with other tourists or go just for a week or two vacation, then yeah, Siargao might be your bet, because it offers some beautiful places. I wouldn't say they are that beautiful as I saw somewhere else, but there is a lot of them, and it's a small island, so it's easy to travel around, and the traffic is super chill, so this might be the only island I would consider renting a motorbike, because otherwise in the Philippines the traffic is crazy and I wouldn't trust going on a motorbike.